guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're at Top Marques Monaco, where we have an exclusive chance to see the new McLaren GT on its world debut for the public. Now this is the new Grand Tourer from McLaren, and it's really a car that they are expecting a lot from, because well, this car combines performance, luxury and also the practicality. So let's start with the numbers. This car has a V8 engine with 630 horsepower, which means from 0 to 100 in only 3.2 seconds. But not only that, just look at this. This is the trunk for you. So this is the golf bag. Fits without any problem. You can fit 2 pairs of skis here, and still you have the place for the luggage. Then you also have the luggage compartment up front. So that's really impressive. So you have the speed, you have the practicality, and it's also very, very luxurious. I will show you the interior. I mean, just look at this. So we have the new digital cockpit from McLaren. Then we have the new infotainment system. We also have the electrical adjusted seats. They're also very comfortable, as McLaren claims. Then you also have these nice buttons here for the gearbox and also for the various driving modes up here. So this is the place where you want to spend a lot of hours, which drivers will do on the longer road trips. And then you also have the Bowers & Wilkins sound system, which is always nice to see and hear. Now let's talk about the design. I mean, just look at these lines. The car is actually 4.6 meters long, which is really a lot. And then you have this back of the car with this very nice shape. You also have this very nice thin taillights, which look like a piece of art. And then we are moving on to the diffuser with 2 massive exhaust pipes. And this car actually sounds very good. Unfortunately, we can't hear it now, but I've seen it on one of the videos. It is impressive. It's one of the best sounding McLarens on the market. So tell me in the comments what you think about this car. McLaren says that this car is actually the opponent to Ferrari Portofino. Then you also have the Porsche 911 Turbo S and also the Aston Martin DB11. So which one would you pick? I'm not sure, but seeing this here, it looks impressive. And when I will see it on the road, I think it will look even more impressive. With these scissor doors, with its length, it's really, very impressive. And one more thing I have to mention is this. So look at this. It is really high from the ground up front. So you can basically drive it like a normal sedan, they claim in McLaren, especially when you have the lift system up. And then it's like a regular height, like some normal hot hatch, let's say, or something like that. So that's really impressive. Also, one detail is this nice dual tone wheels, 20-inch on the front and 21-inch at the back. This gold color of the launch is very, very nice and suits the car, because the car is luxurious. You want something like this. You want some color that stands out. So on that note, I will say goodbye to you. Actually, I will show you the specs of this car. So you have the twin turbochargers, you have the V8 4-liter engine, of course, and Pirelli tires and everything. As I said, 620 horsepower, 630 newton meters of torque. So it's really, really impressive. So guys, that was it. Greetings from Monaco. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more stuff from Top Marques. But that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.